Good morning, everyone. This is Dirk, and today we're talking about not too great news. The global economy is melting down and the stock markets are plunging. And as a result of this, people are pulling out their assets everywhere. It is crazy. Let's first take a look at the crypto market. In general, it's no surprise here that the Bitcoin dominance is now at 65.6%. Was gaining by 2% because the first thing that people are selling off are altcoins that are not too popular. So yeah, Bitcoin dominance here very high, but you can see the Bitcoin price changed by 23.9%. The Bitcoin was falling by $2,000. Now remember the video that I shared with you on September 15th, 2019, we were talking about the European Central Bank wildly printing money, injecting and infusing it into the stock market. And 1 week later, the United States, the Feds were following with that and had like 60 billion printed and injected. Now, we all knew at this point latest that the global economy was on a point to turn and was turning into a huge recession. I thought that it would come in about 2-3 years. Now the coronavirus accelerated everything. Now, of course, all governments are blaming the coronavirus on this global meltdown, but they forget and try to steer away from this fact that all of the main countries are so deep in debt and that they're trying to print money, injecting it into the stock market in order to artificially blow it up. And this bubble was about to burst. And I know the coronavirus is not the cause for what's happening right now, but it was an accelerator. So this is why we're seeing numbers like this. At the time when I posted this video, we were thinking of maybe Bitcoin would be a safe haven for people. At the time, people were buying gold, crypto, and real estate. And we were thinking maybe these are the three safe havens for them. But right now, the panic is so big that is overshadowing all the logical thoughts. And unfortunately, people were pulling out their assets from everywhere. I mean, look at this. From Bitcoin, but not only Bitcoin, even gold, which is the safest asset right now and the best performing asset right now. Can you believe that people are selling off even their gold and turning it into fiat? It's unbelievable. So at the time we thought maybe Bitcoin is another safe haven. Maybe people are using this as a store of value. But as you can see, the panic is that big here amongst the people. So they are pulling out their assets from everywhere and turning it into fiat currency. I don't think it's a smart move, but it is what it is. And all the signs, long-term especially, are set to strong sell. I will not sell off my Bitcoin. I will not sell out my crypto. I told you about this. I'm not a day trader, but I believe in the system. And I believe that this kind of financial system is much better than any fiat system in the world. So yeah, the governments again are blaming the coronavirus for what's happening in the market. And now President Trump has accelerated this global economical meltdown by announcing a 30-day travel ban from Europe.
We will be suspending all travel from Europe to the United States for the next 30 days.
That means that my customers from Europe cannot fly in the United States in order to invest their money. It means that families who had to save up so much money for their annual vacation, they stuck now. They bought tickets and they might not even get a refund because it hits the travel industry, it hits the airlines. This was definitely not helpful, and this will cause stocks to fall even further. So not a smart move. What can we do? Well, we have to stay calm. We have to use logic over panic. We have to use facts over panic. And what you all should do is to protect yourself when you go out in public. When you go shopping, don't be afraid to wear a mask. It's not just that you can get infected. It's also you could get the virus, but you might be strong, you might be young, but you could pass it on to old people, to sick people, or people that have a lower immune system than you. So this is my message for today. Don't panic, use common sense, and protect yourself and others from the coronavirus. Stay safe out there, and I'll keep you posted with news. Thanks so much for watching this, and have a great day. Bye. Peace.